Stop panicking over travel changes. Rebooking your Cebu Pacific flight is easiest through their managed booking portal online. Within minutes, you can reschedule via the website or mobile app by selecting manage booking here at the top, right? Under manage, you're gonna see check-in, manage booking, flight status. Hit manage booking. You could choose your flight and select rebook, right? And select new dates at least 2 hours before departure to avoid issues. So, key tips and alternatives: do this at least 2 hours before your original flight. Okay. Secondly, while the rebooking fee is often waived, a fair difference may apply if your new flight is more expensive. Use Charlie, the bot, the chatbot on the website or Facebook Messenger for assistance. Next, if you purchase the Sheeb or Cebu Flexi add-on, you can rebook multiple times without fees. If Cebu Pacific cancels your flight, you can rebook for free. If it's your choice, you pay the fair difference. If you cannot rebook online, try using the Cebu Pacific Help Center for assistance. So consider liking this video, subscribing, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. It really helps. Until next time, see you.